All right, so welcome back, guys. And yep, like you see, we got the bicycles here because we're gonna do what? We're gonna go ride bike. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, Fresco Channel, you noticed that last night I posted a few videos and pictures of a party. I was doing a pool party. It was pretty cool. First time that I do a pool party, 15. It was kind of unique thing. I mean, it was nice decorated, like you guys saw. They had a lot of entertainment. They had a robotic thing, Hora Loca. They had me, you know. It was fun, and actually the best part is, you know, when you see the people have fun. But there wasn't that much really dancing. They were just dancing in the pool. Pretty house too. It was really nice setup, so I liked it, and it was fun. It was fun. I told Fresco to come with me, Fresquito, you know, because I knew it was a 15. I knew there was going to be a lot of teenagers there, but you know, he didn't want to come. So I got home kind of late, so I was too tired to go on the boat today. So we decided, you know, to go ahead and ride some bike at the beach. But this time, we're going to a different beach. We're gonna go to South Beach. Oh, by the way, you notice the cool gear too? Yep, Sandbar Life. This is the new one. This is the new gear coming out, dry fit. And by the way, guys, this is 30%. What is it? SPS?
SPF.
SPF. This is 30% SPF, sun resistant. So it's pretty good. I didn't know that. I was actually reading the product on it, and it's 30%. So you know, kind of blocks the sun a little bit. And then you know, you wear the hat. Block everything off your head except for the back piece because you got a neck. So you know, if you guys like it too, you can purchase it at frescochannel.com. It's there. You know, this is the new exclusive blue, so check it out if you do like it too. Okay, so by the way, if you guys remember the other video, Big Mama was complaining about the seat, and I was too, but I kept it to myself. So what I did was I changed my seat over. See the difference? This is the old seat. This is the old seat. It's kind of little, you know, and this is the new seat. So I changed over the seat because my butt hurts too. So we're gonna try it out today and go right around the beach, have some fun. So let's go with the show. All right, so guess what I'm doing? Waiting for everybody. You have your doors open. Waiting for the rest of the crew, of the clan, of the Turtle Clan. Oh, by the way, last night's party had a little incident. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I broke camera of the phone, the back, everything. It was a massive accident. And what happened was I was playing music off my phone because they requested some song that I didn't have, weird song. So I had to take off the protector, well, the case protector. And then I forgot I had the phone hooked up to the cable. I hit the cable with my hand and the phone fell on the ground. So it's the first time that I see there's a camera lens and the whole back. But you know what? I ordered the piece online and I'm gonna try to do it myself. And I'm gonna record it. So if it comes out good, now you guys can do it yourself, because I think they charge up to $350 to repair that. And the whole kit itself was 30 bucks. So if I could do it, you know, you guys can save some money. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Where's my mic? Oh, like you guys notice, it's a nice, beautiful day here in Miami. And if you guys have the Miami-Dade boat ramp, you guys notice that the boat ramp started to close at around 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm glad I didn't go, because I would have got left out. All right, so we spent over 30 minutes driving around South Beach, and we winded up had to pay for parking because we couldn't find public parking, so we had to pay private parking. So that's the bad thing about South Beach. So Julie going for another ride. He's a South Beach dog today. Hopefully he doesn't get crazy when he sees another dog, because there's more dogs here than Hollywood. What street are we on? 4th Street. Okay. All right, so we rode down all the way to the opening, to the beach. See what we got here. Yo, this is cool. This is new. Yeah, the boardwalk or whatever you want to call it here is new. Julie's a cool dog. Julie's chilling. Bro, that was crazy. You seen that? I almost had a head-on collision with that guy skating. Yeah, I turned to the right, he turns to the right. I turned to the left, he turns to the left. And he was going full speed. He's like right there. He just turned away right there. Oof. That was close. right now we're at South Point Beach. This is the beach that's right next to the inlet where the cruise ships come in and out. And there's like a little park with a hill. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little break. And like you notice, there's a lot of people here today. I guess everybody has the same idea. Come to the beach, hang out. Can anyone guess what is the name of the fruit that we're eating? Leave it in the comments below. Okay, enough of the break and enough of the eating. It's time to keep riding. So if you guys like riding bike like us, you should come down here to South Beach. Now, if you don't have a bike, there's a lot of bike rental stations around the area. So you could go ahead and rent one if you don't have one. And the reason why I like riding bike is because you get to enjoy different places and see different things that you can't really see in a car. So now we're in the actual South Beach Boardwalk. Oh, here it is, guys. You normally see my videos here at night, and now is daytime at South Beach. That's pretty cool. It looks a lot different, right? It's not as colorful, but it still looks nice though. Everybody's walking around. You can't come to South Beach and leave without taking a picture. That's cool. So, I can get this?
How long you to have it? Can I touch it?
Yeah. It's cool.
Oh, really? Wow.
That's pretty cool.
This is a big girl right here.
Oh, it feels weird.
She's about like 7 feet long.
Like
30 pounds. Wow, that's cool.
Like, get all in my camera.
That's cool. So now here we're hanging out at, I guess, the workout station at South Beach. That I never really paid attention to this place, but there's a lot of people that come hang out and work out. Well, that's super cool. volleyball. That's one thing I love to do, is play volleyball. So that gives me an idea. Maybe next time I get a little group of friends together and come play volleyball here at South Beach. All good things, everything must come to an end, just like our date. And now we're gonna head out back to the truck because our ride is pretty long. But like you guys noticed, we got to do a lot of different things. Hanged out at South Point Park, hanged out at the gym section of the South Beach, I guess, that I never saw before. And we even got to take Yuli around, experience a new place. This is actually Yuli's first time coming to South Beach, and this time he wasn't a fugitive.